Honda Cars India Limited announced a body and paint service camp for its customers in the country. The company is giving its customer a chance to get their cars to repair for any damage. The body and paint service camp for customers has already started from September 14 and will continue till September 26, 2020. This service camp will be available at all authorized Honda service outlets across India. The 13-day service camp will offer a host of benefits to customers. This includes attractive offers on customers' paid body and paint repair in terms of labor and select parts like bumpers, windshield and side mirror. The offer also includes discounts on interior enrichment, paint treatment and beautification along with overall sanitization of the car. The company will also be offering customers with free services like a top wash, additional battery buyback offer and body and paint evaluation during this camp. Customers are advised to book the service appointment before visiting the dealerships. To be a part of the service camp through Honda Cars India website or the brand's Honda Connect mobile application or by directly contacting the dealership. The company has also announced that due to the ongoing pandemic, the HCIL dealerships and workshops are adhering to all safety measures and guidelines. Adequate social distancing will be maintained to provide a safe and healthy service to customers. Honda is also offering attractive benefits during the ongoing festive season in India. The latest offers include cash discount, exchange benefits and other special packages available on select models in the brand's lineup. The models covered under the offer include the Amaze, the WRV and the City.